You're supposed to scuff it, I think.
Then that can plug in. So this we need to maybe tape it or something. I mean, or you can just sit. No, there's that isn't. Oh.
Big brain.
Big brain.
Big brain.
Big brain here.
No, see, my point with doing this is this is a really small wire. So it being up here isn't going to matter.
Kyle's over here tripping me up. Putting grommets on there. I was like, whoa, what the? They didn't drill this one.
There's something wrong with this. Were you here when I figured out? Oh yeah, you were here when I figured out the wire pipe so that I miscalculated on. I mean, I literally measured at least 10 times. Put in some tape. Bang, bang. You hear, when I come running over, where's the sledgehammer? Where's the sledge axe? We chopping this wall out right here. All right, what's my actual? So it's 27 and 9/16. 27 and a half plus one little one.
My wife was watching a video with me. She's like, "What is he doing?" It's like, "Oh, that's brilliant. I need to start doing that."
What?
The
Matty
in a hat. Yeah, the Matty measurements.
27 and a half plus one little one. That's what Ryan was saying in the last video. Stop doing. It's like, I ain't got time for math. It's like, stop teaching math. We're hooking up a TV. All right, so we're done. Paint is done. We ended up having to get out the cashmere because the Sherwin-Williams match of the Benjamin Moore color wasn't perfect. So we got this painted. I got this whole corner piece taken off. So theoretically, we ought to be able to slide this in. We might have to do a little attitude adjusting on the wall. So this is all capped. I cut the Swiss tracks so that it's in here nice and tight. So yeah, moment of truth. So what we'll do first is we'll kind of push it back into position. We need to get one of the skinny people. We'll get Bryce in here to hide out behind here. Maybe we'll hoist them over the top so that way we can plug this stuff in and keep this out of the way. Yeah, this is gonna be cool. All right, you're in charge of getting.
It was like paint. Paint it?
Yep.
Yeah.
Oh man, what?
That's what I'm saying. Don't lean against the wall.
Okay. We're stuck on Swiss Track's little part. This black one is not. Shoot. Push it back. There we go.
Yep.
Yeah, every one of these Swiss Tracks transitions is going to get caught on.
Yep.
So I'm going to have to lift it up. Push this way. Hold on. All right, push. All right, we got over it. Shoot, we might be climbing over the top of this thing.
I think you're hitting the baseboard on the side there.
Okay, so let's think about this logically. I might have to take that whole baseboard off and put it back on.
Anyway, you're gonna get close enough.
Mm-hmm.
It would have to be like. What is it like? Almost a foot. Almost a foot. To cut it, if you wanted to cut it.
Yeah, all right, I'm gonna have to bring it my way. I'm gonna have to pull this baseboard off. It gets caught on the Swiss Tracks. All right, that's enough to get the baseboard off. I'm just gonna take this whole piece back. So let me pull the Swiss Tracks up. Okay, so now we're gonna have to put that Swiss tracks back in. Otherwise, we're gonna be in serious trouble.
ever.
Okay, then we put this here, and that, so that goes here. Okay, that's good. So now we can push. All right, so let's come all the way against the wall. You're gonna have to lift, little man.
One good car, one.
Yeah, we'll crawl you up the top. No, we don't need any more people.
Just needed to move. Push from the bottom.
All right, so
Well, we got this wall we got to contend with. It's
Gonna be tight.
this when we thought I was gonna finish the project.
Looks real good right there. It's like the key piece of the room. Just put a closet door on that wall real quick.
What's wrong with my measurements? Can I shave some drywall? That's 76 3/4 on the dot. What the heck's going on here? Because the bottom doesn't fit, but this is an inch bigger. What the heck's going on? We're gonna get it wedged in there.
It's never coming out. It's
All
there
right.
for life. It goes with the building.
All right, you ready? The rice you push in the middle. We're probably gonna need to get some more
Hey,
people.
Mike.
Come on, cameraman.
I gotta make some room. Oh shoot! It's going backwards.
Okay.
You need to push lower.
Yeah.
Moon shoes are not doing good.
Yeah, we're gonna need more people. That's for sure. Ugh. 3, 2, 1. Yeah. Okay. Hold on. Yeah, it's the Swiss tracks we're held up on. That's not straight. Okay, yeah. All right, now I gotta get out.
That's fine. That's all right. Whatever it takes.
Is that an unassisted muscle?
All right, I think it's gonna go.
MSS plus.
I think it's as good as it needs to be.
See? Keep it.
Okay. Almost.
Here it is. Wait, you still need to plug stuff in. Y'all went a little too fast.
Okay, Bryce, get up there.
Like how far is it?
Run it up to it's not, should be, yeah, go to this one over here. It's not that far down.
Okay, this one, yeah, this one. Yeah,
We can
you
just-
gotta get to both though.
We can just put a
We need a.
you don't want to put it. Yeah. I don't know if I have a.
Well, I just returned one, so.
No, I have an extension cord, but I don't have a dual. And scrape the wall. Man. Guarantee there's gonna be a big divot of my back from pushing on the. So I'm gonna have to relocate that outlet.
It's a perfect desk height outlet right there.
I need to pull on that. I need to turn that water spigot on and see if there's any, see if that water line was the one that was behind the sink. The world is collapsing and we're jamming sonic cabinets in the corner.
What a contrast.
I just hope we don't have to pay for that. Let me see if this has water to it. It's pull to close. Yep. So that's. I mean, that's what I wonder. Is it? Yep, there's still water to that, I'd say. So I guess we won't be taking that off. Should be able to jam it in there and cock it. Take the Swiss tracks out. Just need a lot of caulk to get this thing back to where it was. Got this little beauty. Had this for a long time, only got to use it once, maybe twice. Where's my studs? I don't remember. I'm just gonna wing it. Should have paid attention. Okay, put this back in. Gosh, that was a big project, man. Way bigger than I planned, but also done much sooner than I thought. So I guess we're good. Now once I get all the paint and everything done, I'm starting to think maybe I won't relocate this outlet, because the desk is going to be going up and down anyway. So I might just leave it up higher like that. Put the old desk in place. I'm gonna have to shorten the one side, and then since I'm gonna be ordering custom tops, I have to make a decision on that. Actually, that's pretty good. So this is what it's gonna be like. Sit right here. It's gonna be a little higher, obviously. I like it. I was worried about this feeling a little claustrophobic. I'm gonna put some acoustic treatments. The computer's gonna go here. And I'll be sitting here a lot. Or the cameras, we'll turn the lights off, set some lighting. And so, what does that look like? Put the camera over here. Let's see what it looks like with the cabinets in the background. Eesh, that stupid water cooler. That's probably gonna have to come this way. Cut that corner off. And you're gonna come in tight. Yeah, it's gonna work, something like that. So we'll have to make sure all this crap over here, there won't be anything over here, and I might just get rid of that darn water cooler and put it in the bathroom or something. Is that a little weird to put a water cooler in the bathroom?
No, it's stored in the shower.
Yeah, so now I gotta decide what size countertop, or what type of countertop, measure it. That's a neat little cove. Little Mormon cove. Anyway, thanks for watching. I know you probably got some good laughs out of this one, but hey, just sharing the real, man. This is how it goes. I've been a part of a lot of professional product projects. I've been a part of a lot of working on cars with professionals, and I mean, I'm a little bit clunkier, but in general, you have to kind of work through things, and that's what I do. And we got it done. So I thought I was gonna have to cut the wall off, but I think we're good. Do some painting, do some patching, and again, I'll get you some more detail on the MSS Plus stuff as time goes on here, and be sure to keep you up to date with how I'm liking them. So thanks for watching. As always, stay tuned for more crazy. I got more coming.
Probably just use that.
Yeah.
Told my car
Sit
maybe
it
I
there.
can run.
It pulls from the middle.
Turning on Griffin Avenue. No, turning off Griffin Avenue onto Rolling Acres. You know, to get to Home Depot. You take that left to get in
Yeah.
there. I'm in the turn lane, have my turn signal on, getting over. This lady just starts going as I'm turning onto Rolling Acres. Literally inches from the back end of my car. Both of us just slam on the brakes. I roll down my window. I'm like, "What are you doing?" She's like, she's like 70 years old. She's like, "You scared me." I'm like, "Yeah, you almost hit me."